Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 7, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rana Mahmood, social study teacher. So today our topic of presentation is geography of the Muslim world. Okay, so it's your chapter number 1. So remember, we will discuss the Muslim areas, okay, and their locations. Remember that Muslims covers around 15,000 kilometer from east to west, and on the north to south 6,000 kilometer as per our book also. So see here, this is the Indonesia, Malaysia, these countries, and on the left side of the map Morocco and these areas. This is east to west, these areas from the east to west, and from north is Kazakhstan, okay, and also below in the southern side African countries, okay. So this is the total areas of the Muslim world. Now further if we see, this is the Red Sea, okay, this one, this is the Red Sea, this one, okay, and this is the Gulf, and this is the Arabian Sea, remember that. All are in Indian Oceans, okay. So the Middle East countries, where we are living now in the Gulf, Middle East countries, Oman, also Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, okay, Iran, and Iraq, even up to Turkey, okay. Afghanistan is also included in the Middle East. These are the Middle East countries, and the Gulf countries, GCC, they are only Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, etc. Okay, and in the some countries in the South Asia, 3 countries. Okay, number 1 Pakistan, this is Pakistan, and also Bangladesh and Maldives. These 3 Muslim states are situated in the South Asia, and Muslims are also living in the Africa, a chain of Muslim countries in the African continent, Egypt, Libya, Algeria, okay, many where the Muslims are also living, okay, in these countries. So this is Somalia, Muslims are living here, okay, and some countries are in the Far East Asia. They are in Far East Asia, in which Malaysia, Indonesia, and here is Brunei, Darussalam, 3 main countries, okay. Indonesian population is the biggest country of the Muslim world, and then the Kazakhstan. Area wise, see Saudi Arabia and the Kazakhstan both are very big. Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, like these states, these are called the Central Asian states. All these countries covers the Muslim world, okay. So in which the important countries, Pakistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Egypt, very important countries, also Indonesia. Now we will see in this graph that how much the percentage of the religions in the world, okay. It's also available on the book, this Muslim world map. Buddhist, number 1, Buddhist, mostly Buddhists living in the Sri Lanka and in India, some, okay, in the world, in Japan also, many other countries, China, 6% only. And Hindus, mainly Hindus are living in the India, 14%. Muslims 21% of the world, and second largest religion in the world, okay, Islam. And next, Christianity prevails in the European countries and also others, it's 33%, okay. Other religions in which Sikhs, Parsis, many others, all others groups having the different religions, okay, they are 26%, okay. So students, Muslims, most of the Muslim countries are located on the level lands, okay. North Africa. So before North Africa, what are the level lands? Level land means flat area, okay, from the sea level okay, above the sea level, flat area, plain area, okay. So this is called the level land. So North Africa, in North Africa we have the Atlas range, about the mountains. We are seeing the mountain range. In Ethiopia, Yemen, Atlas range, Saudi Arabia, Eastern Turkey and Iran, and in Iran are highlands, okay. These are the highlands. Now we will discuss the highest mountainous regions. Highest mountain regions are Afghanistan or Pakistan. Okay, remember that Pakistan and Afghanistan have the highest regions, highest mountains in the Muslim world. Okay, in Pakistan we have the three types of the mountains. Here they mention only uh, two mountains, Hindu Kush and Karakoram, and we have the also Kirthar or the Kirthar range, Suleiman range we have in Pakistan. So this is the map of Pakistan. It's the Islamabad. So first upward northeastern side, okay, northeastern side, we have the uh, Karakoram and also Himalaya. Himalayan range enters in Pakistan from India. Okay, it's a great mountainous range starting from the Nepal, Mount Everest. You listen that. So here in the Pakistan, Karakoram, the mountainous range which attached with the uh, northeast border with China. We have this uh, border with the China, 592 kilometer. Okay, and this range next adjacent with the Hindu Kush mountains. Hindu Kush is entering also in Afghanistan. Okay, so the highest mountain regions are Afghanistan and Pakistan. Okay, so next we will see the natural vegetation, means the plants and especially forestry. When we talk about the natural vegetation, so in our mind is natural vegetation is forests. Okay, so we have the in natural vegetations different types of the forest. Okay, we have the forest, mean the full uh, plants, forestry available, and second uh, grasslands. Okay, grasslands in some countries means less mountainous belt, just grasslands we have. Okay, and desertic scrub. Scrub means somewhere in the plain areas, uh, the cut soil, the high soil, low soil. This is called the scrub land, like scratch. Okay, desertic scrub. So forest, first of all, this is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest, where we receive the rain mostly, like in Malaysia, tropical deciduous forest. Okay, this word is deciduous, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, then the temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, and coniferous forest. Okay, so this vegetation, then in grasslands, tropical grasslands, temperate grasslands, tropical deserts, and tundra regions. Okay, this is the natural vegetation of the Muslim world. Now we come next. You can see the different pictures of the uh, plants, fruits which we grow here, coconut, mangoes, also some vegetables. Okay, you can see here, all are produced in the Muslim world. Okay, so desert areas, we have also deserts, except for Malaysia, Indonesia, and some parts of Africa. More than half of the world, Muslim world area is hot desert. Remember that. So in the uh, desert area, so mainly Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, Jordan, Iraq are temperate grasslands. Central Africa and Southeast Asia has heavy rainfall, tropical forest. So the Great Sahara is also here. In Pakistan, we have four deserts. One desert is called Thal Desert. Second, it's in the central Punjab, around near Miawali area, and also it covers the area between the river Jhelum and also river Indus. Okay, And second is we have the Cholistan. Okay, Cholistan covers the southeastern of Punjab. Okay, Bahawalpur area, Rahim Yar Khan, these cities are adjacent with the India. And in India, this desert is called the Rajasthan desert. It's the extension of the Rajasthan. In next is Nara Tharparkar, okay? It's in the southeast of Sindh, okay? Southeast of northeast of Sindh, it is situated mostly, okay? Nara Tharparkar is the area, is the division where we work, okay? The Mithi and other areas, you can see the people are working there. So this is the desert. Fourth desert, which I was talking, that is the Kharan desert. Kharan desert is situated in the Balochistan of Pakistan, okay? So it covers the areas. And thank you, students. Hope that you understand all the geography of the Muslim world, and especially regarding, I talked about the Pakistan, especially deserts and these things, okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.